All you need to know about Sencha Green Tea. Sencha tea is a type of Japanese green tea that is known for its delicate, grassy flavour and refreshing taste. Here, we will provide you with more detailed information about Sencha tea, including its history, production process, flavour profile, health benefits, and brewing techniques. History of Sencha tea. Sencha tea has been consumed in Japan for centuries, with records dating back to the 8th century. The tea is believed to have originated in the Kusai region, but it gained popularity in the Kyoto area during the 17th century. Today, Sencha tea is one of the most widely consumed teas in Japan, and it is also exported to other countries. Production process. Sencha tea is made from the Camellia sinensis plant, which is grown in Japan. The leaves are harvested in the spring and early summer, and they are processed immediately to prevent oxidation. The leaves are steamed, rolled, and dried to create a characteristic shape and flavour of Sencha tea. The leaves are then stored and packaged for sale. Flavour profile. Sencha tea has a bright, fresh flavour with a fine sweetness and a grassy, vegetal taste. The tea can have a slight astringency depending on the quality and brewing method. The aroma is floral and vegetal, with a hint of seaweed. This tea is known for its unique and delicate flavour profile, which is characterised by a fresh, grassy taste with a hint of sweetness and a slight astringency. The flavour of Sencha tea can change depending on the quality of the tea leaves, the region where they were grown, and the brewing technique used. The aroma of Sencha tea is typically floral and vegetal with a hint of seaweed. The tea leaves have a deep green colour and a glossy appearance, which is a sign of their high quality. When brewed, Sencha tea has a bright light green colour that is clear and translucent. The flavour is fresh and lively, with a subtle sweetness that is balanced by a hint of bitterness and astringency. The grassy notes of the tea are complemented by a slight umami flavour that is reminiscent of seaweed or steamed vegetables. The flavour of Sencha tea can be influenced by a variety of factors, including the season in which the leaves were harvested, the altitude at which they were grown, and the amount of sunlight and rainfall the tree plants received. High-quality Sencha tea is prized for its complex flavour profile, which can be described as delicate, nuanced, and refreshing. The tea is often enjoyed on its own or paired with light snacks and meals such as sushi, rice dishes, and salads. Overall, the flavour of Sencha tea is a unique and complex combination of fresh, grassy notes, subtle sweetness, and slight bitterness and astringency, with a hint of umami that adds depth and complexity to the flavour profile. Health benefits. Sencha tea is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the body against damage from free radicals. The tea also contains caffeine, which can provide a mild energy boost. Studies have shown that drinking Sencha tea regularly may help reduce the risk of certain diseases, including heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, Sencha tea may help improve mental alertness and promote relaxation. Brewing techniques. You will need to use water that is around 70 to 80 degrees centigrade, 158 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the loose leaves in a teapot or infuser and pour the hot water over the leaves. Steep the tea for 1 to 2 minutes, then strain the leaves and pour the tea into a cup. Sencha tea can be brewed multiple times, with each subsequent steeping producing a slightly different flavour profile. Overall, Sencha tea is a delicious and healthful beverage that is enjoyed by tea enthusiasts around the world. We recommend trying a high-quality Sencha tea to experience its unique flavour and benefits for yourself. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.